We are here at UF Health Proton Therapy Institute this morning, and joining me are Kim Todd, Child Life Specialist, and Tim Webster and Leah Fry, who are both Flagler College graduates. Thank you so much for having us out here this morning.
Thank you for having us.
So Kim, I want to start with you and explain to us what proton therapy is and how it helps children who have cancer.
So proton therapy is an advanced type of radiation that targets tumors while significantly reducing the damage to surrounding healthy tissues. It's beneficial to our children because their cells are more sensitive to radiation, and if we can provide them with a better chance at cure with less side effects, that's a great day.
And so you are a child life specialist. I think you have an incredible job. Tell us a little bit about what you do and how you really help, those who are going through the process here.
So child life specialists are trained professionals who help our patients cope with treatment, everything from medical procedures to educating them on an age-appropriate level so that their anxiety is decreased and their coping is a lot more effective.
And I think you just hit on something that every parent would certainly understand, that anxiety level, and just making sure that their kid feels comfortable and walks in here in sort of an unintimidating environment. And so with that, you guys have a new addition. Tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
Yeah. So we have a new interactive storybook app called Proton U. And really it's just an opportunity for our pediatric patients to prepare themselves for treatment. So there's a complete walkthrough of all the processes that are in place both during and before their treatment. So it helps really just prepare them on an age-appropriate level for different things that are going to be happening here at the center.
Yeah, and I had an opportunity to play on the app a little bit. I met Jefferson, but it's great because the kids literally get to see the building before they come. They get to experience. Tell us how children are using the app.
So they are downloading it back home and sharing it with family and friends and maybe even classmates to really just familiarize them with what to expect. They're hearing sights and sounds that might be intimidating for them at first, but if they're able to hear it, repetitive, they're just really less anxious about the whole process.
Yeah, I would assume just the anxiety level kind of, comes down a level or two. I want to ask you a little bit about why the app was developed, and I also want to bring you both into the conversation because you were part of the really fun, creative process. But let's get back to, why was there a need? Well, how did this all begin?
So shortly after I was hired, I did a search for educational material that I could use to help prepare our pediatric patients. And there really wasn't any, and so we decided to develop our own and really come up with an interactive storybook that could help ease our patients' anxieties and make it fun in the process.
And so, how great is this? What a rewarding project to be a part of something that is really impacting children's lives.
Yeah, absolutely. It was the most rewarding project of my life. So just seeing it come together from Kim's vision, her coming into our interactive design class and, telling us her vision for it, and then us kind of strategizing on how to make it happen.
Yeah, we had so much help from our Flagler College community, from outside sources, and to see everyone come together and want this to come to life and to function and to help the patients, I think was just so rewarding.
And so let's get back to, what are some of the benefits of kids coming in after they've played with this incredible app, they've seen the environment, they kind of know what process they're going to be going through, they walk in the door. So what are the benefits of them having that experience?
So if we are able to really reduce their anxiety and go through treatment without anesthesia, we're able to treat more kids. And so nothing is necessarily painful about their treatment. It's really just helping them ease their anxiety so that they understand the process. on a better level.
It all makes perfect sense. Thank you all so much for having us out here today, and thank you for what you all are doing in our community as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we want to thank UF Health Proton Therapy Institute for sponsoring this segment. For more information, you can go to floridaproton.org, or you can call them at 904-588-1436.